Try this English quiz with 40 grammar and vocabulary questions. Think you'll pass? Pick the correct option. Answer D. Enormous. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Superior. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer D. Possibly. Find the best synonym of impolite. Answer D. Rude. Which word is a synonym of admit? Answer C. Confess. Pick the opposite of contrast. Answer A. Similarity. What is the opposite of distort? Answer B. Clarify. Choose the plural of duck. Answer A. Ducks. What is the plural form of agility? Answer B. Agilities. What word best completes the sentence? Answer D. I'm not sure whether this is the right approach. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B. It's challenging to fulfill all requirements accurately. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D. He arrived so late that he missed the announcement. What does have itchy feet mean? Answer B. Travel urge. What does spread yourself thin mean? Answer A. Overcome it. Pick the antonym of explicit. Answer C. Implicit. What is the opposite of glorify? Answer A. Condemn. What is the opposite of guided? Answer C. Misled. Choose the correct past form of said. Answer A. Sent. What is the past form of bust? Answer B. Busted. Which is a synonym of candid? Answer C. Frank. Pick a synonym of suspend. Answer A. Pause. Choose a synonym of hostile. Answer D. Aggressive. Which spelling is correct? Answer A, abundance. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C, determined. Pick the correct option. Answer B, hardly. Which option is correct? Answer D, navigate. What is the plural of honesty? Answer C, honesties. What is the plural of calf? Answer D, calves. What is the plural of durability? Answer A, durabilities. What is the plural of ally? Answer B, allies. Fill the gap. Answer B, he promised he would help me with the presentation. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D, the outcome of the investigation revealed key facts. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B, we had the meeting held by the manager yesterday. What does cut a dash mean? Answer C, impress. What does go the whole hog mean? Answer D, go all out. What does have seen better days mean? Answer B, worn out. Keep going. 4 questions to finish. Choose past form of split. Answer D, split. What is the past form of mislead? Answer A, misled. Choose past form of withdraw. Answer C, withdrew. What is the past form of burst? Answer A, burst. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.